Racers. Scott at Drag Race Solutions here. Today I want to talk to you about torque converter installation and this new torque converter installation kit that we'll be offering. Like so many of our products, they evolve either by a need from the racer or a problem racers have been having, just as a solution, hence the word Drag Race Solutions. This torque converter installation kit is basically made to where it allows you to space your torque converter out of the front pump properly so you don't have any damage to your front pump on your racing transmission. Now, a lot of people know that these need to be spaced out properly. A lot of people don't know that these need to be spaced out properly. So we've included in the kit a magnet, which is just the exact right thickness that you want to space your torque converter out away from the pump from. Also, we've included some very high grade ratcheting double-faced lock washers that you will use on the head of the bolt and where the nut goes up against the flex plate. We've also included 3 different thickness spacers, 150 thousandths, 250 thousandths, and 350 thousandths, to allow you to space your torque converter properly. It's a very simple process, and we include all the instructions with the kit. Basically, I'm going to give you a rundown design here. Your bolt's going to go in, obviously, through the head of the torque converter, just like normal, with a lock washer on it. You're going to place it through there. Now imagine yourself down under the car. You're going to take this magnet, and in order not to have to hold it up there with your hand, you're just going to be able to stick it up there like that. Let's pretend this here is the flex plate. This is going to slide through the flex plate just like this. And when your torque converter's spaced in all the way up against the pump, you're going to have a space right in here. That's where you're going to come in with the proper spacer that we include in the kit, 3 of them each. And you're going to slide that in just like that, which is going to allow you to know the correct distance. Now when you're done, you're going to pull the magnet out. The spacer's actually going to be up on the bolt, and then you're going to slide it forward there. By removing the magnet itself, that's going to give you the lash up against the front pump, so you're not going to have an issue. Then you're going to go in with another lock washer and these American-made grade 8 nuts that we supply up against the back side of it. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. It's a pretty simple deal, but it's one that's very important and can save you a lot of money. You tear up that front pump, tear up a torque converter by doing so, and obviously possibly costing you a round or even a race. These lock washers here, they're very high grade, dual-sided ratcheting lock washer that's used in the gas and oil and industrial arena. It's not a split washer, it's not a star washer. They are reusable, but we've been using them themselves on our cars now since the beginning of this year, and we've changed a lot of torque converters this year. And I tell you what, you'll never have another torque converter come loose with these. But again, the magnet's going to allow you the proper spacing as far as a gauge goes. We provide 3 different thickness spacers, 3 American-made grade 8 bolts, proper length to use, and then 3 grade 8 American-made nuts. All this comes in a nice kit just like this, very simple, and you can get those directly from Will Holloman at any of the races he's in attendance, including the SFG South Georgia race this weekend in Adel, or directly online at collectortethers.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.